Welcome back to part 2 of this video. So we left off right here in part 1 where we were sauteing our chicken breast and ensuring that it is properly cooked all the way through. Yes, a lot of people was anticipating the continuation. So here we are. So let's go. Let's continue. Now, after sauteing your chicken breast, you would then ensure that your macaroni is on the fire. Yes, in this instant we'll be using this penne pasta to make this Alfredo chicken pasta. Now you must ensure that your water is hot or near to boil before you add your macaroni in this. And in the meanwhile, I'll be preparing some other garnishes that we'll be using in our pasta. So that is some sweet pepper that we have there, and that would be done in medium dice. We would use that in our dish later on. Now let's take a look at our pasta. And you look now, we see that it is properly cooked all the way through al dente style. So you cool your pasta, stop it from cooking, and then you ensure that you cool it to stop the cooking process. Now, what we'll do is add our Alfredo sauce to the chicken breast here. We would ensure that it is evenly spread all the way through the chicken breast, and from here we would add our pasta. Once our pasta has been added, we continue to stir and ensure that the Alfredo sauce is evenly spread between the chicken breast and the pasta. Yes, now I bet so you can taste this already. Yeah. We add a bit of margarine just for a bit of flavor to this dish, and we continue to ensure that this is evenly spread all the way through the Alfredo sauce. Once it is spread, we add the remainder of the Alfredo sauce, and we add our garnish that we have there. I remember earlier you must have seen the parsley. So that's the parsley we added right there. Now the dish is complete. Take a look. Yummy, yummy. Now you can go ahead and try this dish. But remember to like, subscribe, and share this channel for more updates and for more dishes similar to this one. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you come back for more. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing the video. Alright, now remember, you must hit the notification bell, so whenever we have more dishes like this available, you will be first to be notified. Thank you.